And last but not least, ChatGPT recommends trading cryptocurrencies or exchanging or engaging in other online investment opportunities. This is a topic that I don't know very much about. I've traded crypto before and I usually just get burned. Also, there's a lot of scams like the FTX scandal that's been ongoing for months now. So I'm really not that interested personally in trading cryptocurrencies. It's very risky, and I wouldn't recommend it unless you're willing to lose most or all of your money. But we can simply ask, just a disclaimer, we can simply ask ChatGPT to provide what are some of the safest crypto, crypto like Coinbase um, exchanges. I'm just curious because a lot of them, some of them have been going under recently. So I'd recommend if you're trading crypto to do it off on a hot wallet. I think it's called a cold wallet or something, rather than using one of these exchanges, because FTX was one of the largest and it fell apart. It blew up. It had a huge explosion, right? And they lost billions and billions of dollars. So we can ask, what's the best, let's just say, what's the best way to get started trading crypto? Just see what it comes up with. If you're interested in trading crypto, here are a few steps to get started. Research and educate, this is important, about the basics of crypto and the market. It's important to understand how cryptocurrency works, which you don't really need to understand that much to invest, but there it is. Choose a reputable and secure cryptocurrency exchange. There are many exchanges to choose from. It's important to do your research and compare the fees, features, and security measures of each one. Set up an account and complete the required verification process. Fund your account with fiat currency or crypto. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to trade and place an order. Most exchanges allow you to trade a variety of blah, blah, blah. So that's how to get started trading cryptocurrency. I'm also interested to hear what they have to say about stock trading in the stock market, right? Which is also quite risky, but I would say not nearly as risky as crypto. Again, so it's just recommending educating yourself about the stock market and investing in general. Choose a brokerage firm to place your trades. So essentially the same as investing in crypto, except it's a brokerage account instead of a crypto exchange. Fund your brokerage account. You need to transfer money. Choose the stocks you want to trade. Basically the same thing as for crypto. I'm just curious to see what it would say about FTX. Can you tell me more about the FTX scandal? Okay, so here's a case that it's actually not able to answer the question for whatever reason, mostly because it doesn't have access to the internet. So, and it doesn't have data up until about 2021. So this was, as you can see, which was a knowledge cutoff of 2021. So it doesn't have information about this FTX crypto scandal yet. What if we ask, who is Sam Bankman-Fried? That's the guy that was behind the scandal. Okay, so it actually knows about Sam Bankman-Fried, who is the CEO of FTX and a criminal, total criminal. Founder of Alameda Research, quantitative, blah, 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 blah. So it knows about him, but it doesn't know about the scandal, the blow up of FTX yet. But it's going to be learning more as the technology gets better and better. So yeah, that's essentially how to get started trading crypto and stocks. And I recommend choosing a crypto exchange that is, very well known, like Coinbase. It's most likely not going to go under. So yeah, those are some of the top ways to make money online using ChatGPT. We're going to go into more detail about some of them in the next few sections. So thanks for watching. See you in the next section.